Welcome to VARINDIA News Hour. Automation and artificial intelligence is core for the lending LOS. Automation and artificial intelligence are poised to reshape the finance function. It is clear that technology is affecting financial services in a multitude of ways, and the finance organizations perform a wide range of activities, from collecting basic data to making complex decisions and counseling business leaders. As a result, the potential for improving performance through automation varies across subfunctions and requires a portfolio of technologies to unlock the full opportunity. FinTech will drive the new business model, and the sharing economy will be embedded in every part of the financial system. Secondly, blockchain will shake things up and digital becomes mainstream. However, customer intelligence will be the most important predictor of revenue growth and profitability. Advances in robotics and artificial intelligence will start a wave of reshoring and localization, and going forward, the public cloud will become the dominant infrastructure model. Clearly, automation is driving betterment of lenders and borrowers alike. We have seen that the regulators are turning to technology, and most important is cybersecurity will be one of the top risks facing financial institutions. Choosing the right LOS is a strategic decision and involves a thorough mapping of business needs with solution features. The overall mapping sheet should contain all the points related to customization, scalability, time to market, after-sales support, licensing and hosting expenses, and throughput. Finally, a combination of business process management, that is BPM, and robotic process automation, that is RPA, could be a great approach to ensure the delivery of both technical and operational requirements. Let's look into today's headlines in VARINDIA. Global smartphone shipments to reach 1.4 billion units in 2021, says Canalys. A report from Canalys says that the global smartphone shipments are going to reach 1.4 billion units in 2021. There is strong momentum behind 5G handsets, which accounted for 37% of global shipments in Q1 and are expected to account for 43% for the full year, that is 610 million units. As the demand surges, the component supply is going to be a new bottleneck for the smartphone industry, despite vaccine rollouts and consequently due to continued pandemic. Sprinklr targets $5 billion valuation in US IPO. Software startup Sprinklr said it was looking to raise as much as $380 million through an US initial public offering targeting a valuation of about $5 billion. Sprinklr provides software that helps its clients with marketing, advertising, and customer engagement. The top customers are Microsoft Corp and McDonald's Corp. Said in a regulatory filing it planned to sell 19 million shares priced between $18 and $20 per share. The report says Morgan Stanley, JP Morgan, Citigroup, Barclays, and Wells Fargo Securities are the lead underwriters for the offering. Insteadapp raises $10 million led by Standard Crypto. Hyderabad-based blockchain startup Insteadapp raises $10 million led by Standard Crypto. Insteadapp builds a middleware layer in the decentralized finance, that is DeFi space, a blockchain-based form of finance that does not have central financial intermediaries. It will use the funds to complete its transition into the middleware layers for DeFi and support the ecosystem project building on top of the Insteadapp protocol. Ethereum is going to be quite valuable, says Jensen Huang. Nvidia CEO Jensen Huang has said that Ethereum is going to be quite valuable. Huang is clearly optimistic about Ethereum's future. As Ethereum has established itself, it has the opportunity now to implement a second generation, and it chose our GPUs because it's the largest network of distributed supercomputers in the world. It's programmable. Huang further said cryptocurrency is going to be here to stay. Ethereum might not be as hot as it is now. In a year's time, it may cool down some. But I think crypto mining is here to stay. Formation of All India Fixed Internet Service Providers Association. all the leading fixed-line internet service providers of India have come together to form a new industry body, All India Fixed Internet Service Providers Associations, that is AIFISPA, to represent the interests of the fixed-line internet service providers industry. As broadband data consumption saw a massive spike owing to the pandemic, the fixed-line broadband players have enabled entire industries to seamlessly migrate to a work-from-home setup, keeping the wheels of the economy running. The industry hence is set to play a critical role in building a digital India and support the government's initiatives to enhance fiber optics infrastructure across the country. That's all for now. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to VARINDIA News Magazine. You can download the VARINDIA app from Google Play Store for the latest news and updates. Stay tuned. Thank you.